Hello and welcome. In today's video I'd like to show you this plastic missile which is being used for fishing, and well, throughout the video I'm gonna tell you whether it explodes when it hits the water or not. And before I begin, you can like the video if you'll find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. I've actually seen a couple of people using it and they were quite happy with this gadget. So let's talk a little bit about it. It is fully made from plastic. It has this button here, and when you click on it, it opens the tool. Inside it has this mechanism which actually opens up the gadget. There is a metal spring over there and another metal part over here. So let's close it down. In the end, over here, you've got a ring on which you put the main line. So what it is being used for: when you come to a fishing spot and you'd like to fit a spot with the feeder, you can actually throw the balls by hand, but afterwards your shoulder might hurt. It happened to me a few times. Or you can use this gadget. How to use it? Pretty simple. Your main line, you take your main line and attach it to this ring here. Then you click the button and open the gadget. You put the feeder inside, close it down, and then cast it to the spot that you'd like to fit. So when it hits the spot, does it explode? Well, no, it doesn't, because it's made from plastic. So what does it do? It actually opens up and the feeder goes to the spot that you'd like to fit. And basically that's all that it does. There is nothing else to tell about it. For some of you it might be quite useful gadget, but for some it might be a worthless one, depending on the type of fishing that you do. Basically, I've told you everything that you need to know about this gadget, and I just wanted to show you that such fishing missiles exist on a market. If you found the content useful, don't forget to like the video. And you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.